If you're looking for page level optimization tips instantly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get actionable page level insights right away without wasting time. These tips will help you optimize your pages for better performance, faster rankings, and higher conversions. Stick around to the end, where I'll give you a powerful tool that will help you instantly get the most relevant page level optimization tips. And yes, there's an exclusive free trial just for you. Let's get started. The first step to getting page level optimization tips instantly is using a tool that provides real-time, detailed insights into how your pages are performing. There are a few big players in this space, but after testing all the top software, I found that one stands out. This tool instantly analyzes your page and gives you actionable suggestions based on real-time data. Once you have the tool, start by running a comprehensive audit on your page. You want to identify key areas like page speed, mobile responsiveness, and user experience factors. These are crucial when it comes to ranking well and keeping users engaged. After the audit, the tool will highlight areas where you can improve, from adjusting headings and images to fixing broken links or improving your content structure. But here's the key. The best tools will give you timestamp, real-time suggestions as you update your page. Instead of running audits and waiting hours or days for reports, you can get immediate feedback as you tweak elements on your page. This lets you optimize without wasting time guessing what works. For example, if you update a title or meta description, the tool will instantly tell you if it's optimized for the keyword you're targeting. It'll also provide recommendations for improving SEO elements like alt text for images and internal linking. This means you don't need to be an SEO expert to instantly improve your page's performance. Another feature you want to look for in a tool is the ability to track real-time user behavior. This data can help you optimize elements like calls to action, images, or buttons that may not be converting as well as you'd like. A good optimization tool will even give you insights into how to tweak your page layout for better engagement, all with immediate feedback. At this point, you're probably wondering which tool I'm recommending for this. I've tested a lot of them, and the one I'm recommending gives you a free trial to try everything I mentioned in this video. This tool offers page-level optimization tips instantly as you go through your content and make changes so you don't waste time. I've linked it in the description below. Remember, it's an exclusive offer just for viewers of my channel. To wrap this up, the key takeaway here is, to get page-level optimization tips instantly, you need a tool that not only audits your page, but also gives you real-time suggestions as you make changes. Don't wait hours for a report. Optimize as you go and see immediate results. To quickly review, first, run a real-time audit. Second, use a tool that gives you actionable insights instantly. Third, track user behavior and adapt on the fly. Lastly, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along with me. I hope this helps you optimize your pages faster and more effectively. Thanks for watching.